OAWALKER here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to insert the SIM card and the SD card in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This also works on the 10 Plus. I've got the Plus model here. So first things first is you're going to need your SIM card. These are the nano SIM cards, and if you look in your phone box you're going to see this, and you're going to see your little key right here, basically to take the SIM card tray out. So on the top of the phone you're going to have a little slot here with a pin. What you want to do is take this, put it in the hole, push firmly down, and it will pop up slightly. And then what you want to do is essentially take your fingernail and pull it up. After that you're going to have two slots. Whoops. You're going to have two like holders right here. This is for your SIM card and this is for your micro SD card. What you want to do is place it down. It should be able to place it down, and it should just lie completely flat. Same goes with the SD card. I don't have an SD card because there's plenty of storage on the phone. After that is done, you want to get your phone, the same slot at the top, you just want to slide it in until the top of it is flush. After it's flush, that is it. You could log back in your phone. Obviously I have to enter my pin for the phone as well, so let me just do that. After it unlocks the SIM card, you can literally just log into your phone, and you can see up there I've got 4G LTE, and I'm connected to the internet and ready to go. It's as simple as that. It works on both models, and that is how you replace the SIM and SD card on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Short quick little video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. If you want to see more videos, or if there's anything that you want to see on the Note 10, just let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.